Hi, this is Sydney, and this is Oregon Trail, the version that I made. And what I want to show you is how to get started. So here I have it set up so that you can log in as a user and log out, but we're going to go ahead and just sign up. And when you press that button, you get sent to the sign up page where you have a form where you can fill in a name. And we'll just do person one. And then we'll just give ourselves a username, whatever that might be, and then we can make up a password. And I'm just going to put in 123 and then enter. You'll then be sent to a form to make your family. Up here, you can put in whatever name you want. You can put in Bob, and we'll make him the dad. We'll put in Mary, and we'll make that the mom. Put in Timmy, make him the boy, and then we'll just do girly and make that the girl. And as you can see, it says pick your avatars, and when you select each avatar and you fill out the name, when you press enter, you'll then be sent to the next form where you handle your supplies or you purchase your supplies. And so right now you are given $1,000 to start off, and there are some pointers as to how much you should have, and there's a cost for the food and the pounds of food. But right now, the math that is involved in getting all of this right, I don't yet have finished. So right now, we're just going to put in 3,000 pounds of food, and then we'll just do 300 boxes of ammunition. And when we press enter, we're then sent to the home page that has now all of the information that we've created. So we have Bob, which is the dad avatar, and we have Mary, which is the mom avatar, Timmy and Girly, who are the family members that we created. They all have good health, and they're all alive. Their status is alive. And you can see here that the food, the bullets, it's 3,000 pounds of food and 300 bullets, and we have still $1,000 of money. We didn't end up actually spending or detracting from the money yet, and that we started at 0 days, and that you can see here highlighted above that your username or your username, not your first name, what you put in, but your username, person one, is showing up here. And you then are sent to this map of the West, starting from Independence, Missouri, Fort Laramie, Wyoming, Soda Springs, Idaho, and Oregon City. And we have it at 1,800 miles from Oregon City. So we're starting at Independence, Missouri, and here we're going to press get going. There's the option to hunt, to rest, and then log out, but we're going to start playing the game by pressing get going. And the days go up, the pounds that you're eating go down, and we've now just hit an event. And this event is smallpox, and one of your family members has smallpox. So if we press next, we can see that one of the family members, a random family member, has bad health, and then the miles are going down here, and the map is rendering a new map where the dots are showing your progress along the way. We now have been eaten, one of our family members has now been eaten by dinosaurs. We got a dinosaur attack. So now next, we just keep going, days goes up, food goes down, and our progress across the map keeps going, and the miles goes down. Now, if we want to, so not only that, but our family member was killed. And so same here with zombies. You can see here that the avatar for the dad has been changed to a tombstone, and the status is dead. So we're just going to hit next. Hopefully we're going to have something, oh, and they're just dead. We need something like smallpox where their status just goes down, but we can recover their health. Dang it, they died. Okay, so then they've been nothing but killed. I swear there are options where their health just goes down instead of just dying straight away. But now the game is over and we can start over, and at least you can see that that is an option. So when you press start over, you start all over, days go back to 0, the miles go back to where they were, and unfortunately the rest of this doesn't repopulate, but you can see that these things worked. And so now we can hunt. When you press hunt, it'll render a modal that tells you that you want hunting, and that the pounds are a random number between 0 and 100, and the bullets are a random number between 0 and 25 or 35. Yeah, sorry, 35. So that's what you can get. And then the math is then included or changed within the bullets and the food. And then zombie horde, they've been attacked. Ah, darn it, they get killed. Now I just want their health to go down, just something. So if you want to, when you rest, you add 4 days to the amount of days that you're out on the road, and then you stop the game, you pause the game. Now, unfortunately, right here, their status is dead. And that means that if someone's dead, then their health can't go up. Their health is set to bad, and their status cannot be changed, or their health cannot be changed. If someone's health was at bad and you pressed rest, then their status would then go back up again. So hopefully we'll keep going, and then we can get one of those instances where it's just their health goes down. This is actually my favorite. One of your family members decided that walking was a waste of time and hopped on a plane. So they're technically dead, but it's not as depressing as, say, the dinosaur attack or zombies. It's just a lot of fun. 750. There we go. You made it to Fort Laramie, Wyoming. So you can see that this will pop down for Soda Springs, Idaho, and Oregon City. Yay! So one of your family members received anthrax in the mail. Oh no, that's awful. So you press next, and so they are still alive, but they're bad. So when you rest, you can see that it's gone up to poor, and that you've added days. And you keep going, and then you say rest again, and then it's back to being fair. Okay, game over. That's it. That's my game. Thanks. Bye.